Oi, oi. What's happening, people? How we doing? Hope you're good. What's going on with my mic? Here we go. Let me move myself forwards a little bit here. 1 second. Here we go. Now you can see my ugly mug a little bit better, right? Let me turn that down. There we go. Oh, let's say I know something, right? One of the best things about being self-employed and working for yourself is you can just wear what the fuck you want. You can just be comfy. So we just had an entry here. I think sitting around BE. Let me check. Yeah. We'll see. Frame drop detected. Let me 1 second. Just gonna do a data check. Just gonna do a Wi-Fi test. Seems alright. Should be enough. How is everyone? Is everyone good? Hope you are. Recorded a little video for you guys this morning. It was more of just like more just thoughts and you know, some things that have been coming up from some students lately. You know, questions that have been asked and things like that. So there's just a couple things I wanted to cover. So remember, guys, if you haven't already got yourself access to the daily bias indicator, then head over to the Discord, put your trading view name, and I'll give you access to that. Hey, yo, you have to... What? Mad. You have to pay for news on Apple. That's crazy. You can get news from anywhere, Apple. What's going on? Let me just double check this stream on... Is it not given... What's going on with this then? Two seconds, guys. 2 seconds. Looks fine. Looks fine. I'm not too worried. I am not too worried. How's everyone doing though? Everyone good? I hope so. It's pinging. It's just pinging alerts at me saying low frames, low frames, low frames. Uh, hmm. Is everyone good? Can everyone hear me all right? Yeah. Mm. So in this one right here. Now this is actually quite funny because what I was showing you yesterday about using the trying to get the epic pen. Here we go. When you have a higher time frame money out move, right? You have the money out move. Then price comes in and it gives the money out. And then you can look for price to travel down. Again, that's like a super simple version of the Orion system understanding. But this is the first money out after price contacted this area right here. Yeah. So the relevance is still there. This is what I was saying before. It works really nicely if you just use it in a super simple way. Guys, if you're watching this right now, I can see there's a couple of viewers in here. How's the connection? Is it alright? You guys hearing me alright? Is everything all clear? It looks fine on my end, but obviously I'm on the same network. Right, I'm gonna go make a coffee, guys. I'll make a coffee. It literally says stream condition excellent. Excuse me. So, God knows what's going on with that. Alright, coffee break. I'll be back. I'll be back. What's up, baby? What's going on? How we doing? What's going on? The stream's dead today. The stream's dead today. So we're doing an early stream today because we recorded content this morning. Then I've got my rotor up on the wall. 12:30. We're doing a public mindset session in the Discord. So you can join the Discord and be a part of that if you'd like. Yeah. Are we good? Are we good? Are we good? What's everyone saying today? Are you looking to trade or are you looking to sit on the sidelines? We have job jolts or jolts jobs, and that's it, literally. Apart from that, we're 9:45. You know, that's. Cheers. That's some good coffee right there. That's good. So, if you have a look at something like oil right here, you can see we've got a lot of price action to come back up into these highs, or we put in new highs, yeah, to follow that bias down because our bias is bearish. So AU Same thing, right? We're bearish right now. We need to come up into the highs to come down. So nothing right now. So quiet right now. Obviously, UJ, but that's it. We're already in this, so we don't really care what's going on with this. So let me know, guys, if you're looking at taking any trades today. Right. We have a couple of things that we need to do. And those things are check copper. This is not for me, by the way. Okay, we sold that. So we sold off at that low. We need to continue selling down into that low. Cool. Let's have a look on Bitcoin here, because everyone's going Bitcoin's selling. Yeah. XRP as well. Let's see what we make of it. Big sweep. Let's just get rid of this for the minute. So we want this high to be met if it's going to continue selling down. So on the daily, there's no gap, right? So there is potential for this to keep coming down. Now, the reason why we had this huge ass wick is because I believe we're actually going to go back up again and take out the highs. Now, take note of what this is showing you right here. So you can see the dotted lines. Right, the dotted lines are high volume highs, and the solid lines are standard volume highs. So we have standard, high volume, right? And then we have high volume, high volume, high volume, high volume. So there's a lot of liquidity sitting above these highs. So running these highs would be the ideal. Now I think we are going to run bullish. What do you guys think we're going to do on XRP? So right now we're seeing this trade may fail here if we continue to push higher. It looks like we possibly could just see this run higher. If it does, it does. Like I say, we don't really care. We've had an entry here. It's come down TP. Beautiful. Just see what happens with this one, right? Has anyone ever has anybody got an experience with Google Ads? So we need to see this low run here. So we're gonna have this. Get an alert on that one, so we know if it comes down, takes it out. What's going on, FX? What pairs you looking at? This is GU here. I don't really have much on the table right now. I'm looking at the pairs I generally track, and we have alerts set on them. If you're new, by the way, welcome. We use a trading system called Orion, and the Orion trading system we have pretty much automated to the point where if there's something to take, we will have an alert. We'll have an alert set. So I've got these pairs right here. Euro, GU, Gold, NAS, USHEF, UJ, GJ. Yeah. So it's a message. I've got all of these pairs running, if you were, but no alerts have been given for those just yet. I did have an entry given here, but I think it's probably going to get stopped out, to be honest. This GJ entry, sorry, not GJ, UJ entry. We had a really nice UJ sell on Monday, early hours Monday morning, first trade of the week. With this setup right here, we're looking for it to run down to the low. Now, how do we know, or why do we want it to go down to here? Well, we have our daily bias. Yeah. Now, this is the Orion bias, but you can learn that Orion bias just by watching the Keep It Simple series. It's not like a indicator with some special magic source behind it. Like, it's a super simple repeatable system. But apart from this entry that we're in, don't have a huge amount going on right now. Compare the market. Right, so what we got going on here? What about yourself? You looking at anything right now? I'm not looking at much apart from that UJ trade. If we come down, take out the lows here, be ideal. yeah. So we've got the V2 entry level running here as well. Daily bias, money in, money out, and agent session, and then the actual Orion system itself. So we've got a lot of Orion indicators running right now, but we're getting ever closer to having it fully automated, hands-free, no touchy. Been on gold, get some nice entries yesterday, but nothing today. Although I'm expecting more buys. Yeah, I'm bullish on gold. I'm bullish on gold. Last setup we had on gold was, where was it? Why have we not got this? I think it was down here. I think it was. For some reason it's not on the chart. I don't know why. But we had long. And we still are long. You can see the bias up there is long. But right now, if we go on to the 4-hour time frame, you can see this is a high volume low because of the way that we have that, the dotted, that means high volume, excuse me, high volume, high volume, high volume. So at the moment, all high volume lows. Obviously this could form, probability is it will be a low volume low. So if we do create a low here, which we can't do for another like 3 hours, then we'll look for a sell, a move down and then a buy into the highs. Right, so if anyone has any understanding of Google Ads, or you know how it works, well, not that you know how it works, but you know how to sort of manage a Google Ads, let me know. So we got some pretty good potential coming up this week. We don't really have a huge amount of fundamentals coming in, so there is some big potential for some setups this week. And again, like I say, if you follow the bias we have, a lot of these pairs are going to deliver to the points that we want to see them deliver to. So like I said earlier, UJ, looks like this setup might not work. Doesn't matter if it does. Remember, we're following a data-driven edge. So whether this is a loss, or we take another trade and that's a loss, or we take another trade and that's a loss, we have like 4 or 5 losses in a row. It doesn't matter. We don't care. We don't care. And I know there's always going to be people out there that will say, oh, you shouldn't be taking that many losses. But when you're following a rule set that has data to back it, it doesn't matter how many losses you take in a row, because you've already accounted for that in the long-term trading scenario. So make sure that you have a system you can do exactly the same thing, you know, where you can take a trade and it doesn't matter what the outcome is. When we enter, unless we see the alert go off for it to get put to break even, we just literally let it do its thing. It does not matter to us what happens. It's literally irrelevant. The results of a singular trade do not dictate the outcome of an overall trading system. And that's the attitude you need to have as well. Unfortunately, a lot of people don't have that attitude, and it causes them to be a statistic. But we shall see. We shall see. So right now we have nothing. Now notice, this is something we spoke about yesterday. Notice when you re-interact with these money in areas, it's normally a very nice push away. So just keep that in mind. Even if you're not using Orion as a trading system collectively, elements of it can allow you to trade in a way that you would like to trade. And these aren't support and resistance lines. They aren't, you know, let's turn it off on the hours. They aren't areas to enter exactly. They are points of institutional liquid. How do we know they're points of institutional liquid? Well, we know because the market only moves when big orders shift it. What's going on, 1-5? I saw you join the Discord this morning, my friend. I hope you're well. Don't be shy, say hello in there. Lots of really good students and members in there that will help you out if you need any help. Obviously, I can also help you as well. You might not need any help. That's the beauty of it, right? Of course. No problem at all. Honestly, great community. Love it. It's a great community. I created it for the reason that we wanted it to be, you know, like any newbies join, anyone that wants to learn the system can learn. And we've actually managed that, so it's great. You know a thing about Google Ads? DM me? Yeah, sure. Definitely do. So, just want to go through here. Okay, so still bearish right now on AU. This is one of our pairs that we spoke about last week. Also, notice how we've come into that money out area, right? We'll come down to the 15-minute. And this is the first money out delivered after we visited that money out area on the higher time frame. What have we done here? We've come back to it. Now we're looking for that sell move, so that follows the bias, right? FX, I don't know where you're going to DM me, by the way, but feel free to hit me up on the Discord. Excuse me. This one here. So guys, if you are in the Discord, make sure you say hi. Don't be shy. Jump in there and say hello to the members. I just need to double check something here, guys. Second. Here we go. Discord link on YouTube says it's expired. Oh. Okay. Let me do that. 1 second. I'll just... That is weird. It's expired. No wonder I'm not getting no joins from the YouTube link. I'm sitting there thinking, wonder why this link ain't... Makes sense now. Right, let me refresh that. I'm going to have to go back through... Wow, that's... Thanks for clarifying that one, my friend. Appreciate it. Let me adjust this now then. Edit. Discord. Right. That's saved. Whether it adjusts like on the fly or not, I don't know. So you have to have a look. I'm just going to adjust it for... Oh, dude, I've got so many videos with that link attached to it. That's horrible. Hopefully it's updated. It's literally most of the videos, like the up-to-date videos, have that link. So that sucks. Oop. Let's see here. In Discord, I see the money in, money out details / access, but is there somewhere that explains more about the daily bias and Orion indicators to see on your chart? Is there more? So there isn't actually a video that breaks them down just yet, but we are doing a free mindset session today. The idea is that we're going to do like 35-minute mindset, and then we're going to record some content that is literally what you were saying right there. We're going to make an Orion section in the Discord, and we're going to put a YouTube video that explains what Orion is and ultimately what these indicators do. So we will be doing that, yes. Right now we don't have it. Honestly, I'm super overrun right now, so it's like a lot of things that we meant to do we haven't done yet, and we're just sort of working our way through things. So yeah, that will be coming. whether it will be tonight or tomorrow or whenever it will be. It will be at some point this week, I would have thought. So I'm guessing the Keep It Simple series has the wrong Discord link as well. Which is actually turd. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll put it in the chat, a link to the Discord. If you want to join the Discord, you can do it through the chat here. Worked. Change the one on your YouTube main page too. Yup. Sweet. Appreciate that. Definitely interested? Yeah, sure, man. Definitely don't hesitate as well, you know, to reach out, because this is the thing. As a trader, I'm just sort of doing my thing in terms of trading and things like that, making content here and there. But unless I know what you guys kind of want, so like that, more information on what that is, I will just sort of go with, you know, what I think. So it's always good, you know, if you guys want something, just let me know. If you want a certain video, let me know. If you want more information about something, let me know. Happy to, you know, I'm happy to fulfill those requests. Okay, so back into profit for UJ. So this is a great example of how the market's moving today. This live stream we've gone slightly negative. I was like, yeah, this could just pump up now, because I was kind of expecting it just to dump. Now it's coming back down again. So it's like the market's moving in such a methodical kind of slow way, you know. Right, so I'm just going to adjust the main page. Appreciate the heads up on that, guys, by the way. There we go. Coolios. Bam, bam, bam. So, where are we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Right, I'm going to put a ping out in the Discord. So if you are in the Discord and you want to join that, then just hit the link down below that now works, and you guys can... Oh, what have I just done? There we go. You guys can join the session we're going to be hosting in there in around 5 minutes time. So if you haven't already, guys, hit that like button. I appreciate it. If you're not a subscriber, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. All of the love that you guys give us helps us a million. It really does help a lot. So we do appreciate it. And by I say it helps us a million, it helps us reach new people like yourself. Helps them to grow and improve their trading system, and helps them to actually take a realistic approach to trading rather than the Instagram, I'm going to make you rich, here's a Lamborghini of me driving a rental car, but BS, you know. That's one thing you'll never get from me, and that is bullshit. I drive an Audi A7 3-litre diesel. It's got a big old boot. Yeah, it's a sports button. Cool. It's, you know, it's not a fucking Ferrari. But I have 2 children, so why would I ever need a Ferrari, right? Honestly, that car is like quicker than my Golf R, I reckon. 8-speed gearbox. That thing moves. But yeah, don't fall into that, you know. I'm going to make you rich overnight. Instagram-ish. Because a lot of those people that drive around in Lambos and stuff, you know, they're taking money through you losing money through their signal service, or, you know, they're taking fat old lumps of commission from you signing up to brokers and stuff. And like I say, you know, I can say to you guys that I've got a broker down in the link down below. If you sign up through there, I take a small commission for it. Awesome. But instead of doing that, I'm just going to say, if you have a private account, here's a tested long-term account that I know works, consistently allows you to withdraw and deposit whenever you like. Spreads are consistent. You know, swaps are standard. And if you do sign up with them, you're going to get better spreads and you're going to get less commission fees. Because that is one of the perks of signing up through the link down below. And I get a little tip off for it. Awesome. But what I'm not going to do is push the shit out of that, make loads of money from it, rent a Lamborghini, and then tell you that you can become a millionaire. Because that's bullshit. Yeah, it's probably a really quick way to make loads of money, but I couldn't lie to people like that. That's just not... That's not the one, is it? Let's be honest. Okay, right guys. Filter over. There's 7 people in here right now. I want to see 7 people in the public trading floor in the Discord. Filter over into the Discord and join trading floor number 1. Filter across. Filter. My partner has stolen my Spotify off of me, so she can have that. Filter across, guys. Filter across. 8 people right now. Filter across into the Discord, my guys. The Discord's going live in like 2 minutes. Filter across. So you will see right here. Get off. The trading floor, right? Don't worry about that. I'm not listening to Lady Gaga. Head into the trading floor, click join, and you'll be able to join me in there. This is the Discord. You can see the people. Oh, by the way, see you on the other side. I just verified you, I'm pretty sure. Jay, right? I just gave you the members access, so you should be verified. So don't hesitate. Join that. And I'm going to have a little chit chat with a few people beforehand. And then we'll be rocking. We're going to do a mindset. And then we're going to explain the Orion indicators in a video that we're going to drop in the Discord so people can understand it and so on. So guys, I appreciate you all. Just managed to hook my microphone there. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you all in Discord. Peace and love. Until tomorrow's live stream, keep your eyes and ears peeled. I'll see you in tomorrow's. Peace out, guys. Have a great rest of your day. Remember, stick to your risk. Don't hunt trades. You're not a loser. You're a winner. Keep doing what you should be doing. Follow Orion. Let the rule set guide you. And I'll see you all very soon, guys. Peace and love.